We begin with the new chance for in-person learning for San Diego's elementary students this fall. Good afternoon, I'm Kimberly Hunt. And California leaders say schools and districts can still apply for waivers, even in counties on the state watch list. Team 10 investigator Adam Rakusin is joining us now live from La Mesa. Adam, getting a waiver, though, is not as simple as just asking for one.
No, Kim, based on what we've seen, this is quite the process. You know, when the governor made the announcement that schools wouldn't be able to reopen if they were on that state's watch list, he did leave a small window open for elementary schools. Here, right at the bottom of the guidance, it talks about a waiver section for elementary schools and what would need to happen for them to be able to reopen despite being on the state's watch list for this. It's complicated, so here's a little bit about how it works. It says a waiver may only be granted if one is requested by the superintendent or equivalent for charter or private schools. It has to be done in consultation with labor, parent, and community organizations. So it doesn't explain what consultation means and whether or not the unions would need to be asked or if they'd have that final say to okay everything. Then local health officers must review local community epidemiological data, consider other public health interventions, and consult with the California Department of Public Health when considering a waiver request. Important to remember, this would only be for elementary age kids. According to the state, younger students are at a lower risk for serious symptoms and spreading the virus. Also, early return allows those younger age kids to benefit from an in-person instruction. Today, Governor Newsom talked about that process.
It's about partnerships that need to be initiated with the requesting a waiver with labor, parents, community-based organizations to allow for in-person instruction, again, for elementary schools specifically, in partnership with local health officials.
And we do know that some schools are looking into this. I called over to the county to ask if anyone has actually applied for one of these waivers. A spokesperson told me, no, not yet. Reporting live from La Mesa tonight, Adam Rakusin, ABC 10 News.